Welcome to Review Lab. The best alcohol measuring tools are probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in any home bar or professional setting, ensuring precision and consistency in every drink you craft, from a simple highball to a complex craft cocktail, allowing you to impress your guests or simply enjoy a perfectly balanced beverage without the guesswork, making them an indispensable part of responsible drinking and culinary exploration. Number 5. Mixology 10-piece cocktail shaker set. This is an all-inclusive 10-piece cocktail set, designed to empower you to create impressive drinks. It's perfect whether you're just starting out or are already a seasoned mixologist, ideal for setting up a home bar. This kit includes all the essential bartending tools, neatly organized in a stylish bamboo stand. You'll find a spoon, jigger, muddler, shaker, strainer, pourers, and a corkscrew, all made from durable stainless steel. Keep your barware organized and accessible with this elegant bamboo stand. It's designed to prevent clutter and showcase your beautiful cocktail kit, sure to impress your guests. Presented in a classy box, this premium bartending set with its sleek bamboo holder makes a fantastic gift. Your recipient will be absolutely delighted, and it even includes access to an online cocktail mixing catalog. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel alloy, SS304 and SS430, this shaker set is built to last. You can rest assured that these professional bar supplies are also dishwasher compatible, ensuring easy cleaning and no wear and tear. What we like. This comprehensive set has everything you need to start making cocktails. It includes a stylish bamboo stand to keep your tools organized and accessible. If you're looking for a complete package to elevate your home bar and impress guests, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The alcohol measuring tool is easy to use and provides accurate readings. The design of the tool is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making measurements quick and efficient. It features a clear digital display that shows the alcohol content precisely. Number 4. Winco 1 ounce x 2 ounces stainless steel jigger. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this jigger is built to last. It offers excellent durability and is resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring long-term use. Featuring 2 distinct measurement sides, it allows for precise pouring of both 1 ounce and 2 ounces. This dual functionality makes cocktail creation simple and accurate. Its double-sided design is perfect for crafting both classic and custom cocktails with ease. You can confidently measure ingredients for any drink recipe. With its sleek and professional look, this bar tool adds a touch of sophistication to any bar setup. It's designed to impress and perform. Experience consistent accuracy with every pour. This essential tool delivers reliable, high-quality results, making it a must-have for any bartender. What we like. This jigger offers precise dual measurements for consistent cocktail creation. Its premium stainless steel construction ensures it will last and look great on any bar. If you prioritize accuracy and a sleek, professional appearance for your drink mixing, this is the tool for you. What people say. The alcohol measuring tool is very accurate and easy to use. It has a clear display that shows the alcohol content in large numbers. The tool is compact and portable, making it convenient for on-the-go use. Number 3. Fox Run 4 ounce mini measuring cup shot glass. Achieve perfect accuracy every time with this small measuring glass. Its clear markings ensure you never miss a measurement, keeping your recipes precise. Crafted from thick, clear glass, this mini measuring cup is built to last. You can easily see your ingredients while being confident in its sturdy construction. Find all the measurements you need with convenient markings. It's graduated in teaspoons, tablespoons, fluid ounces, and milliliters up to 4 ounces. Beyond spices and oils, this versatile glass is perfect for cocktails. Measure small increments of liquids to craft your perfect drink. To maintain the integrity of the measurements, please hand wash this item. Avoid using the dishwasher to ensure its accuracy for years to come. What we like. This mini measuring cup provides clear, easy-to-read markings in multiple units for precise small liquid measurements. Its sturdy glass construction means you can see exactly what you're measuring. If you need a reliable and versatile tool for small batch cocktail ingredients or other kitchen measuring needs, this is an excellent option. What people say. The alcohol measuring tool is highly accurate and easy to use. It provides precise readings every time, making it reliable for various applications. The design is ergonomic and fits comfortably in hand, enhancing user experience. Number 2. KINGROW Cocktail Shaker Set Bartender Kit. Introducing the KINGROW Cocktail Shaker Set, your all-in-one solution for crafting delicious drinks at home. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to get started. Crafted from durable 18/8 stainless steel, this set is built to last and is rust-proof. Enjoy a perfect, spill-free shake every time thanks to its tight, leak-proof seal. Achieve the perfect balance in every cocktail with our precise jiggers and essential mixing tools. Chill your drinks without dilution using the included whiskey stones. Keep your bar organized and looking sharp with the included stylish acrylic stand. It neatly stores all the tools, making them easy to find and display. This set comes with a recipe booklet to guide you through classic cocktails. It makes an ideal gift for any cocktail enthusiast, perfect for any occasion. From shakers and strainers to muddlers and jiggers, this kit covers all your drink mixing needs. Elevate your home bartending experience with this complete set. What we like. This extensive 23-piece set covers all your cocktail making needs, featuring a leak-proof Boston shaker for mess-free mixing. The stylish acrylic stand keeps everything organized and looks great on display. If you're a beginner or enthusiast who wants a complete, high-quality kit with a modern aesthetic, this set is ideal. What people say. The alcohol measuring tool is accurate and easy to use. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits comfortably in the hand. It has a clear digital display that shows the results quickly and precisely. Number 1. Brewing America Hydrometer Alcohol Meter Test Kit. Introducing the Brewing America Hydrometer Alcohol Meter Test Kit, your ultimate tool for accurate alcohol content measurement. This American-made set ensures precision for all your distilling needs. Meet or exceed industry standards with our NST traceable hydrometer. It offers a 0-200 proof scale, perfect for testing spirits, liquors, and homebrewed beverages. Crafted for home distillers, this kit includes everything you need. Float it in your still parrot or use the included borosilicate glass test cylinder for precise measurements. This comprehensive set includes the hydrometer, a durable glass test jar, a specialized bottle brush, a protective storage tube, and a microfiber cloth. We even provide a helpful direction sheet with a conversion chart. The included test tube jar is made from high-quality borosilicate glass, designed to withstand temperature variances during your ABV tests. It also features a removable bumper guard for added protection. While crafted with the highest quality materials and American labor, remember that precision instruments require care. Treat this versatile kit with respect, and it will help you achieve your best results. What we like. This hydrometer kit is American-made and offers a precise 0-200 proof scale for accurately measuring alcohol content. It comes with a borosilicate glass test jar and all necessary accessories for testing distilled spirits. If you are serious about home distilling, proofing spirits, or understanding the alcohol content of your creations, this professional-grade kit is essential. What people say. The alcohol measuring tool is accurate and easy to use. The design is sleek and modern, and it fits comfortably in the hand. It has a clear digital display that shows the results quickly and precisely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.